YouTube, what's going on, man? It's Nice Swag. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, today we got a wash and style method. We're going to be washing our hair with HD Waves Unlimited shampoo. We're going to wash our hair, leave the shampoo in, rinse it out, let it completely dry. Disclaimer, do not take off your do-rag until the shampoo has been rinsed out and your hair is completely dry. If you take it off before it's fully dry, your results may not come out as precise or as clean. Let's get into it. Okay, YouTube, we're gonna be using Iconic HD Waves Unlimited shampoo. Brush it in, wash it in, and get ready. All right, YouTube, we got the hair wet and everything. Now we're going to start applying our shampoo. Your hair will not lather up, the shampoo will not lather up as much as it can on the first wash, due to the fact that your hair is already dirty from products, oils, buildup, etc. Take the shampoo in your hair, then we're just going to scramble it in. As you notice, it's not lathering up. That's due to the fact of, dirt and chemicals, but we're just going to scramble. Okay, YouTube, we rinsed out the first pre-wash. Now let's grab our shampoo again. Take about that much, not too much. And we're going to apply again. You will notice immediately the lather increases due to the fact that my hair is cleaned and stripped. Look, immediately. HD, I see you. That lather is wild crazy. Get that in. Now let's brush everything together so we can lay down our curls. Okay, YouTube, brushed everything in. Now that you got your pattern the way you wanted and laid down with the shampoo, it's still in our hair. All we're going to do, take the mesh do-rag as always and rag up. Okay, YouTube, sorry that took a little long. Now that it's on, we're gonna rinse it out with cold water and leave our do-rag on completely dry. Do not take off your rag before your hair is dry. Just rinse it out and come back for the results. Keep it locked. YouTube, I'm back for the results from the washing style. I had the HD Waves Unlimited Iconic shampoo sitting in my hair. I put the mesh rag on, I rinsed it out with cold water. I allowed my hair to completely dry. Now it's time for the results. There is no products, anything in my hair. Let's get it. HD, I see you, man. The link for the products will be in the description below. If you like today's video, please considering like, commenting, and subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow so much. I want to thank you all and thank my Lord and Savior. Until the next video, please keep it locked.